Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. We have a short video for you that will demonstrate how to add a Facebook page to Wix, how to show a Facebook page on your Wix website. Okay, so to do so, obviously you'll need a Facebook page, and in order to get it onto your site, you will need the ID for that page. Okay, so here's a simple little page, the very new one that I own. And to get to the ID for that page, it's actually very, very easy. Obviously open that page, so you've got it open, just click on it in your profile if you own it. And then the ID is actually displayed up here in the URL. So as you can see, it actually says ID equals, and then there's this long number string. So if you go up to that URL and then double click that long number and copy it, that is your page ID then, okay? Just so you're aware. So back into your Wix website editor, and first of all you need to decide where it's going to be on your page, so on what page you want it to appear. So you might have like a social media page, or you want it to be on the home page of your website or whatever. So have a think about that, and it's going to have to appear somewhere, so decide on that first. And then once you've made that decision, if you go to the top left hand corner and hit add elements, then you need to go to social there. Okay, so about halfway down in the middle of the menu is the social options, and obviously this allows you to kind of browse what social media you can link, and it's got some of the main platforms there, and it's got a Facebook page kind of template for us. Okay, it's also got a mini version of that and a comments box as well. Okay, so it's kind of up to you which one you want. You can either have, what looks like the banner for that page and a very kind of shrunk down version of it, or do you want to have, the kind of bigger version which shows the feed and some extra stuff on there as well. Okay, so we'll go for the big version for this example, and you can click and drag that into your website. And you can see that it kind of formats itself. You don't need to resize it, by default. You can drag it out like that, but the selection box only changes. It doesn't actually change the shape of the Facebook page itself. Okay, just so you're aware. So that's kind of the shape and size of it by default. When you first load it up, it is currently linked to the Wix Facebook page. Obviously you don't want that, you want it to yours. And what you'll do is add page name. Okay, so when you've got the page selected like that, when you've got the item selected, hit add page name. And then it's asking for that page's ID, which we copied at the start of the video. Okay, so what you'll need to do is delete where it says Wix, and then right click and paste. Okay, when you click away from that text field then, so click in a little area on the form that's blank or anywhere, you'll see hopefully a little tick appear there, and then automatically that page has appeared behind. Okay, so you can now close that little window, and then if you hit the preview button for the site, just have a look at what it looks like when it appears, and there it is. Okay, so you can see that we can scroll down the feed for that Facebook page and kind of interact with it, and we can follow it, share it from here, and also click on the title to kind of get it in full like that. Okay, so that is how to show a Facebook page on Wix, and that concludes our video tutorial. If you need professional one-on-one custom support from Wix experts, then click the link in the description below. Even if you need a complete rebuild or redesign of your site, the support team of Wix web developers is here to help you. If you find this video useful, then please make sure to like and subscribe for more website tutorials, as well as comment below if you have any video requests for future videos. Thanks.